Hey, it's Eric with Pretty Prairie Pizza, and today I'm going to teach you how to make baked apples. What you're going to want is you're going to want to get 6 apples of your choice, set 2 of them aside. And then you're going to take those other 4 apples and you're going to cut the tops off of them, but keep the tops. And you're going to scoop those apples out with a spoon, leave an edge around it, don't break the peels. Take the other 2 apples that you'd set aside and peel those. And then cut out and remove the seeds and cut them into small pieces. Not like my example here, smaller than that. You're going to want it smaller than that. And then place them into a bowl. And then you're going to want to add 2 tablespoons of honey, a 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of pure vanilla. Gently mix it. I say gently because we're not making applesauce here. And then spoon that mixture into the 4 scooped out apples. Place them into a roasting pan and add just a little bit of water at the bottom of that, and then cover it. You're going to want to put it in the oven for 20 minutes at 375 degrees. Ignore the wood-fired oven. Use your house oven. After 20 minutes, remove it, remove the cover, and put back in the oven for another 20 minutes or so. And prepare your taste buds because this is delicious. That's good.